Hello student, today we will study articles. Filling the blanks with a, an or the. What do you call an elephant in the phone booth? What stays in one corner but travel all around the world? What's the richest kind of air? What time is it when the elephant sits on your fence? What do you call the mushroom with a sense of humor? Work with your partner. Take turns at asking each other these riddles. Go to page 38 for the answer. These are riddles written in the form of articles, so you can get answer on page number 38. Articles. Articles are words that are used to clarify whether a noun is specific or not. We went to see a play. Not specific play. The play was based on Maulana Azad's life. The specific play we went to see. There are three articles, a and the. We use before words that begin with a consonant sound. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. I saw a man go into the neighbor's house. I think he was an electrician because he was carrying a set of tools. Some words may begin with a vowel which may have a consonant sound. In such cases, we use a before the words. In these cases, the pronunciation of U is YU and Y is a consonant. I saw a one-legged bird near the river. One begins with a vowel but a consonant sound W. My father's friend lives in a European country. I forget the name. European begin with a vowel but a consonant sound YU. Some words may begin with a consonant which may have a vowel sound. It is safe to employ Sahil because he is an honest man. H is silent. The man who lives next door is an MLA. M begins with the vowel sound EM. A and an are indefinite article. There is the definite article. The is the definite article. When we talk about something for the first time, we use an indefinite article. If we talk about it again, we use the. Shiv and Priya want a pet dog. Who will look after the dog when they are away at school? The indefinite article. We don't use indefinite articles before uncountable nouns. A water, a sand, that is wrong. You can say the sad face. However, we can say a bucket of water, a bag of sand is correct. We use an indefinite article when we mean one number. I saw an elephant at the zoo. It means one elephant at the zoo. Kamala has a new bike. Means one bike. When we refer to an unspecified person or thing, or when they are mentioned for the first time, an old man came looking for you. Once a king ruled over Ajmer, and also we take for the singular. Once a king also we take for a singular person, for an unspecified person also. When we refer to the habitual occurrences of something, It means habit. Rita goes to Coimbatore once a month. Take this medicine twice a day. When we refer to a whole class in the sense of all or any, a dinosaur could swallow an elephant means all dinosaur or any dinosaur. A teacher is always respected means all teachers or any teacher. When we speak of a profession or occupation, he is a lawyer. I want to become an engineer. When a countable noun follows the words such as he is such a dedicated teacher, Kulu is such a beautiful place. The word such is used to mean rare or very in these sentences. When an adjective is preceded by so, in such a case, the indefinite article must be placed between the adjective and the noun. I have never come across so barren a field. I have never come across so barren a field. With words, phrases like little, few, thousand, dozen, quarter, and lot of. Meena bought a dozen mangoes yesterday. When her house caught fire, Kamlesh showed a lot of courage. Tick the correct choices. Rakesh Jha is an absent-minded person. Did you hear the story about how he lost his wallet? Last week I attended an interesting seminar on how breakfast or the lack of it affect your performance in school. The guest speaker was a university professor from England. He teaches linguistics there. Susan Atre is not an engineer. She is a doctor. In fact, she is a child specialist. Ali bought the beggar ice cream from his pocket money. I have never known so hot a summer. It is very difficult to go out in the afternoon. Mrs. Datta is a generous and kind person. You can see it in the way she treats her factory workers. Shall we recognize an elocution contest as part of the competition? Is the emu a bird or a mammal? We conduct seminars on adult education twice a year. Mr. Elliot is French by birth. Now he is an American citizen. Thank you for being with us. It is an honor to have you as our chief guest. And MP will flag off the marathon against deforestation. Some sportsmen are taking part in it. Last evening, I had an unusual experience when I was out on my daily walk. I recently read an article on blue whales in a science magazine. The definite article, we use the definite article to speak about a particular person or thing or one already referred to. The pen you gave me is beautiful. They saw some peacocks in a park. The peacocks had gorgeous feathers. Before uncountable nouns to give them an identity. The sand on this beach is hot. The cement you bought is of good quality. When a singular countable noun is used to represent a whole class. The computer is very useful. The rose is a lovely flower. Before adjective when they are used as plural noun to represent the entire class. Fortune favors the brave. The old often disagree with the young. Before the superlative form of adjective, Mrs. Contractor is the best teacher in our school. Is the Amazon really the deepest river in the world? With ordinal number, read the 5th chapter of your history book. I have secured the 3rd place in the race this time. When we speak of things which are unique, that is the only ones of their kind. The moon is beautiful. The Indian Ocean looked calm at night. Before the names of musical instrument, Lavanya can play the violin. Bhavya is learning to play the guitar. When we name the inhabitants of a country collectively, the Americans won the relay race. England was conquered by the Romans long ago, in an adverbial way to show that two things increase in the same proportion. The sooner the better, the more the merrier. Before some proper nouns like the names of river, ocean, desert, buildings, monuments, newspaper, holy books, trains, the Amazon, the Pacific, the Alps, the West Indies, the Bible, the Rajdhani Express, the Taj Mahal. Filling the blanks with a, an, or the. The Red Fort is a magnificent monument. It was built by Shah Jahan. A scientist should work for the progress of mankind. Testing time separate the brave from the cowardly. A storm brought down all the cables, so none of the telephone in the neighborhood are working. Where there is a will, there is a way. I will always treasure an advice about honesty and sincerity my grandparents gave me. An hour ago, I saw an umbrella lying on the wooden bench. Was it your? Tea seems to be of very good quality. Where did you buy it from? Divya loves to have a cup of coffee in the morning. Oh, the door is open. Did you forget to lock it last? Here the chapter ends. I hope you will like this, enjoy this video. Thank you.